M2 Technologies is a process and manufacturing consulting firm. Our vision is to bring technology from companies such as Autodesk and Panzora to meet today's problems while also keeping an eye out towards tomorrow's possibilities.
So at M2, our vision is really to help the manufacturing industry transform the way they operate to produce more products in a fast manner without sacrificing efficiencies and quality along the way. So M2 started back in the late 90s. Over the years, we've grown from a software vendor selling just Autodesk software to a true consulting firm where we actually do have a presence across the U.S.
So M2 Technologies is headquartered in Nashua, New Hampshire. Our reach initially was primarily the New England market, but as we've grown, our footprint has grown. We now service customers across the United States and have started to branch out into partnering with some of our customers in Europe as well. We are at the precipice of unprecedented change that humankind has never seen. Numerous studies have said we're going to go from 20 plus mega cities that exist today in the world to, I believe the number is somewhere in the 40s by the year 2050, which isn't that far away.
The industry is booming. Why it's important is that our customers are having demands placed on them unlike ever before. But in today's world, you can actually meet demands without sacrificing quality, without sacrificing efficiency.
M2 Technologies always wants to partner with companies that are looking for long-term relationships. I'm proud to say that GSSI is one of a number of companies that we've got nearly a 20-year history with.
At GSSI, we design and manufacture ground-penetrating radar equipment. We sell our products all over the world, and we're the leader in the technology. So GSSI started working with M2 really when 3D CAD started to make the big push. Since it was such a new technology that we were looking to at the time, we really needed a technical partner, somebody with technical staff on hand that we could ask questions and kind of work through any hiccups that we might run into. One of our biggest challenges, and I think for a lot of manufacturing companies, is the transfer of design from engineering to manufacturing. What we're leveraging M2's help right now on is that release process of basically how do we control the design through the design phase, document everything, and then effectively transfer that down into production.
When we look at the collaboration specifically between M2 and GSSI, it's really regular communications that occur between myself and their engineering team and really trying to understand, okay, what is it you're going to be solving next? Not just with GSSI, but I think with almost every client that's had a long-term relationship with us, we're more than just CAD guys for them.
We're working hand in hand. We're not just simply an outsourced software vendor. We're really not a team of trainers. We are a true partner. When an organization needs to meet a project need, they will actually reach out to us and ask us to be an extension to their team. I think success at M2 would really equate to our customers always reaching out to us as the team that they can rely on for assistance, the team that they can rely on for answers.
I know that if I call M2, they're going to answer the phone. I know if I email them, I'm going to get the help that I need, and that's really, at the end of the day, most important to me.
Using GSSI as an example, we have a 20-year relationship with them, but they're not the only ones. We have long-standing relationships with clients like Oldcastle and Raytheon and BAE. That's how I really measure our success, is by partnering with those companies year after year to continue to help them be successful. It's really about taking what we can get accomplished today, optimizing processes today, but also keeping an eye on the future, really understanding where technology is heading, in partnership with our clients, understanding where they're trying to go and create a roadmap that creates sustainable success.